Autism spectrum disorder is annoying many parents in last 2 decades. In autism, due to maldevelopment of the brain, the kids will poor in learning skills with problems in social interaction. The symptom severity will be mild to very severe is the reason it will be called as autism spectrum disorder. In most of the cases, autism is an genetic inheritance and mother health condition during pregnancy, the type of medicines she used, and the mental stress during pregnancy will further increase the such chances. Apart from this, certain kind of risk factors has been identified as boys will be 4 times more affected than girls. Preterm babies who born before the completion of 7 months of pregnancy and kids born to aged parents. A positive family history of autism will increase the chances if not with mild symptoms. When come to the symptoms totality, there are different kinds of presentations from kid to kid. In some kids, the symptoms will be very clear in the first year itself. The child will be unresponsive to calling by his name is the most important symptom. In some kids, development will be normal in the first year, but suddenly they lose the skills in the second year by becoming moody, reserved, isolated from the other kids, which alternates with aggressive behavior periodically. In some other cases, the kids will be very poor in learning skills or very well marked learning skills but unable to express. When come to the social behavior, the kids will be reluctant to the questions we asked, never mingle with other kids, will never share his toys, will play alone, will not be interested to talk or unable to say clearly, or sometimes with unique voice, or keep on telling the same matter again and again, or will give irrelevant answers. Sometimes all of the suddenly will forget the previous information. Sometimes without any further reason will become aggressive to bite, tear, breaks the things, will maintain the seriousness as if not interested for interaction, will never tolerate interference in any manner, will never mind other feelings, not interested in learning anything or sharing their feelings. When come to their interests, they are very comfortable playing alone the same game. Any sort of interest interference will be highly intolerable. They are very happy to be in their own world. If the parents identify the kids fails to respond to verbal commands, unable to walk properly at the end of the 1 year, unable to pronounce a single words at the end of 1.5 years, two word combinations at the end of 2 years, they need medical intervention. When come to the treatment part, the kids with mild symptoms will recover automatically very well even without the treatment. Kids with moderate symptoms definitely need proper treatment at the earliest for the better results. But the kids with the severe symptoms will definitely need the treatment for the better results. The treatment must be started at the earliest to maximize the outcome. In spite of best treatment, some kids will suffer with mild symptoms which will be further minimized as the child becomes elder. Till now, there is no proper treatment for autism in other systems of medicine. But when it comes to homeopathy, the treatment will be possible by considering the constitution of the kids, parents, mother's health condition, and mental status during the pregnancy. The early homeopathy treatment by an expert qualified homeopathy doctor will definitely give a better outcome. For online treatment information, you can call to the numbers displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching.